P0430 tells us that the catalytic converter system's efficiency is below the threshold for bank 2. If you remember our video on P0420, this is its twin, but for the other side of the engine. This means that your vehicle's catalytic converter on bank 2 isn't working efficiently to clean the exhaust gases. The catalytic converter is crucial for reducing harmful emissions. When this code appears, the check engine light is the main symptom. You may also notice a decrease in engine power, increased fuel consumption, and in some cases, a sulfur or rotten egg smell coming from the exhaust. If P0430 appears, the first thing to do is run the code with an OBD2 scanner. Then check for leaks in the exhaust system before or after the bank 2 catalytic converter. These leaks can skew the oxygen sensor readings. It's crucial to inspect the oxygen sensors before and after the catalytic converter on that bank. Sometimes a faulty sensor can send incorrect readings and trigger the code. If all of the above is correct, the bank 2 catalytic converter is most likely faulty and needs to be replaced. A malfunctioning catalytic converter means your vehicle will be polluting more, which will prevent you from passing the emissions inspection. Additionally, if the catalytic converter is clogged, it can cause a restriction in the exhaust that affects engine performance and, in the long run, lead to more serious damage to other components. Replacing a catalytic converter is expensive, so addressing the root cause in a timely manner is key.